નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear student, today we will learn Standard 6 Social Science Chapter number 3 Ancient Towns and Scriptures. We often hear two words, culture and civilization. Do you know its meaning? Culture is a matter related to human life, while the meaning of civilization is developed by human being which he creates his own caliber, skill and creative skills. Student, we often hear two words, culture and civilization. So first we will understand meaning of culture. Culture is a matter related to human life. From culture we can understand what is the human life of that period. And also civilization. Civilization means the development done by human being. How they doing? By creative with its own caliber. Caliber means capacity of their mind. Means human mind, their skill and creative skill. From where we can see this? Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such great civilization of human society. Centuries old civilization still inspire human life. Before of 100 years ago, what is the civilization? They also inspire us about human life. Out of this, all this, today we will learn civilization. We shall study about Harappan civilization. Here is map given places of Harappan civilization. We know Harappan civilization is also as Indus Valley civilization. It means Harappan civilization and Indus Valley civilization both are same. Remains of this civilization were first discovered from Harappa in 1921. So in 1921, from Harappa we can get the evidence of remains of civilization. Remains means the things which left. So we can understand in 1921 from the Harappa discovered the things left by civilization. So we can understand what is their life. Many of these places, the civilization in the northwestern part of India include Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan and Rakhigadi, etc. See the location of places of Harappa civilization in the map. Let's get introduction of the town planning of some of the major cities of their feature. Here in the map, we can see here is Harappa civilization. So in India we can see Harappa here, then Mohenjo-daro here, Dholavira, this is Lothal, Kalibangan and Rakhigadi. We can see all the things in the map also. So let's introduction of town planning of some major cities and their features. Discuss comparison between Harappan towns and today's towns. So if we study today Harappan towns, so we can understand what is the difference. That time of Harappan towns, what type of their houses and today's houses, our towns is, we can understand. Our topic is town planning. Organized town planning was the most important feature of Harappan civilization. All towns were well planned in similar way. So in that time Harappa civilization, all the towns were well planned and also similar way, same way. In all places, fort was westward side and colony of common people. On the east side, highway separated both of them. The fort on the west was surrounded by the fortress. Most probably rulers would have lived in the fort bricks were often used in their town structures. Let's study about the various features of Harappan civilization. In Harappan civilization, there was most important thing was their organized town planning, and all the towns were well planned and similar way. In the places, fort was west side and common people lived in the east side. Highway was separated in both sides. The fort was surrounded by fortress. Fortress means security. It was in west side and most of the ruler means king was lived in the fort. Bricks were often used in their town's structure. Bricks also they use for their construction works. Let's study about various features of Harappan civilization. Main feature of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. So most important thing in Harappan civilization was their house arrangement. Houses were constructed in high platform to protect them from flood and dampness. The meaning of flood means overflow of water and dampness means because there is too much water, so dampness means moisturizer. To protect their houses, they also start to build their houses high platform and to protect themselves from the flood, water or moisturization. One of the feature of houses or Harappa was that the main gate opened in the lane rather than towards the main road. So their houses also belong to the main road. Here, single and double storied houses were seen. In Harappan civilization, there is storied. Storied means double storied. Means building was also seen here. Road were very comfortable. There were two highways in the city, one of which connected north and south, and the other was connected with east and west. In short, the house arrangement was very nice and there were high platform. They construct their house on a high platform to save from them flood and dampness, and their houses was where gate was open and in the rather towards the main road, means there is a one main road and here single and double storied house, means building is one also and there is a double story also, two floor also. In road also very comfortable, two highways in the city which are connected north to south and other is east to west. Here is also one picture given, public bath and Mohenjo-daro. Here streets were parallel to the main road. Road intersected each other at a right angle. Roads and street were organized in such manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. Here streets also continue contact with parallel to the main road, and the main road intersected means cross each other at the right angle means 90 degree. So street also going to parallel and the road are also across to each other at the 90 degrees. Roads and streets were organized in good manner and they are also divided in squares and rectangular section. Evidence of night light system has been also obtained on public roads, and they get the evidence of night light. In the public road we have also now LED light, so they get the evidence of night light system that time also on the public road. There was a highly developed and systematic system for disposal of water in Harappan civilization. The water from each house flowed into small sewer and from small sewer to the large sewer. Water from large sewer flowed out in the city or town. So there was a highly developed systematic system in that time for drainage system, disposal system, drainage of water. The drainage system also very good highly system, and that Harappan civilization. The water from each house flowed into sewer. Sewer means pipe. So the each house the water come out from the small pipe, and the small pipe to the big large pipe, and water from large sewer flowed out in the city or town. A public bath has been found in Mohenjo-daro. Here also we can see the picture of public bath at Mohenjo-daro. In the center of this public bath is a pond for bathing. There are steps arranged on the both sides to get into the pond. There are changing rooms around the pond. This public bath would have been used on festival or religious occasion. So here also we can see there is a public bath in the Mohenjo-daro, and in the center this side also there is a pond for bathing. There are step arrangement. Here also we can see the step both side, here and maybe this side also there is a both side steps to get into the pond. And there are changing room. There may be here or here there are some changing room to change their cloth for near the pond. This public bath have been used for on festival or religious occasion. In addition to this, pillared houses used to assemble halls have been also found in Mohenjo-daro. So in the addition also they get the pillar house is also in Mohenjo-daro. Harappa is an archaeological site located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently located in Pakistan. Archaeological site means a place in which past activity is preserved. It is located in Montgomery. It is located in Pakistan. Harappa must have been the main town of Indus Valley civilization. The main feature of Harappa is granary. Granary means storage facility for grains, and there are also about 12 grain stores have been found on the bank of the river Ravi. So in the Indus Valley civilization, and the main feature of Harappa is the storage system, and there they can found 12 storage grains at the place bank of the river Ravi. Student, we will continue our lesson in next session. Thank you for joining us.